Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to talk about some useful commands we can use it to manage our Linux command line history. So, just to display all of your history commands, you can type history only without options, and history also we can add pipe less, or we can use more like this. So, to repeat a previous command, your last command. For example, I would like to type pwd, and now pwd print working directory is my last command. So, to repeat it quickly, I can use exclamation mark 2 times like this. So, exclamation mark can repeat my previous command pwd. I can also, to repeat it, I can also use exclamation mark like this -1. So exclamation mark -1, take or type my previous command, or Control P, type also my previous command. So exclamation mark, or we can use exclamation mark -1, or Control P, keystroke Control P to type the or repeat the previous command. We can also type history like this, take and then take the number of the command, for example 89. So I can use exclamation mark, then I type 89 like this, and this command can replace the ls. So exclamation mark 29 equal ls, then the system execute the command ls. I can also use command history -5 sorry. So history 5, it will display or print the last 5 command. I can also use, for example, 20. This command with option 20, it will display the last 20 commands, and so on. We can also execute previous command that starts with a specific letter or specific word. So in my history, I can use exclamation mark and then PS. So this command will execute or re-execute the previous command starting with PS, which is PS with no option, like this. I can also use it with exclamation mark sudo, and then this command will re-execute the previous command starting with sudo, like this. It was sudo yum update -yes, and re-execute this command. And when I re-execute it, no packages marked for update. Okay. Another useful example, we can use it. It's to substitute words from history command. For example, ls toto ordinary file like this. The output print toto, and then to modify toto, I can use the vim program, type 2 times exclamation mark 2 to repeat the previous command ls toto. Then I use 2 points like this, and then a dollar sign. And the dollar sign will take or replace it by the last argument of the ls command. And in this example we have only one argument, so the dollar sign will be replaced by this argument toto. So I can press enter now. As you can see, the vim program has opened to modify the toto file. For example, if I have many, for example, ls toto 1 like this, and in this example I have two arguments, so I can use now vim program exclamation mark 2 point, and then the dollar sign. In this case, the dollar sign will be replaced by the last argument, so in this case it will be toto 1, and I will press enter. So that's it, the vim program modifying the toto 1 file, ordinary file. Another useful example, but before, we can also replace, if we have I want to retype just this command like this, and now we can use, because I have two arguments, I want to choose the first one. What can I do? 2 times exclamation mark 2 point like this, and now instead of typing dollar sign to choose the last argument, so the second argument, I can type 1 to choose the first argument like this. So now I'm modifying, or I can modify the toto file and not the toto 1 file. It's useful in some case. Another useful option, we can use the history command with the option -w, and this option can write, or this option writes the complete history list, all this history list, to the history file. So, and the history file in this case is point bash underscore history like this. And now, as you can see, just I'm writing the complete history list in the bash history file or point bash underscore history. I can also delete a specific line from history. If I type history like this and I want to delete this, the command ls, the command number 103. What I can do, I can also just type history minus d and the number of command, so 103 like this. If I retype the history command like this, so the command number 103 or 103, it's not ls, it was replaced by another command, history minus 5. I can also not only delete one line by using history command minus d, I can specifying to remove the lines, for example, between 105 to 115, like this, 105 to 115. So I want to delete, with this option, delete all lines between 105 and 115, all this. So enter, then history, and as you can see, this command was cleared or was deleted. And to clear the complete history list, I can use history minus C. And now I'm clearing all the history list. If I type history, we can see all our commands in the history list has been removed or cleared. And also I can clear the history file, the complete list in the history file or bash underscore history. I can clear it. How? By typing a history minus C, then history minus W like this. If I retype cat point bash underscore history, as you can see, I'm clearing all the history list in the history file named point bash underscore history. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.